Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm gonna show you the best apps for this month. And to check out the best apps and the games of previous months, linked below in the description box. So without any further delay, let's get onto the apps. So the first app here on the list is MSQRD. So the popular app that masks the face with another layer in real time is now available in Android. It's still in beta, but it works as expected. There are a few filters to play around in the app, and you can take pictures, videos and share it. The developer said that more masks will be added soon. The next app on the list is Adblock Fast. As the name implies, this is an ad blocker that disables ad. What's great about this app is that it does not require root permissions. Previous ad blocker apps required root, but this one does not. The downside of that is that it only works with the default browser of Samsung phones. It doesn't work with Google Chrome or other third-party browsers. It might be a great feature for Samsung folks. It can be used while opening sites that contain malware in them, mostly sites of untrusted sources which contains a lot of ads. The default internet browser in Samsung is also as good as Chrome, and it's even faster than Chrome in loading up pages. So that's all about this app. This app is the closest to ad blocking without root in Android. The next app on the list is Hub Keyboard. So it's a new keyboard made as a garage project from Microsoft and has got some unique features that make sense for a keyboard app. So initially it looks like usual keyboard, the layout is similar, but in top there's an icon which takes us to extensions. So this keyboard has got extensions that adds new features, and we can choose what to keep and what not. The first extension here is Clipboard. So this one stores all the copied text so that it can be used later. It's a great feature that I think every keyboard app needs to have. The next one is an integration to the Microsoft 365 and OneDrive, and this one lets users to access the documents from their Microsoft accounts. The next one here is also a very useful one. It's a translator. So right from the keyboard, this extension allows the text to be translated in the required language. The number of extensions is limited for now, but new ones should arrive soon. I really like the idea of extension in keyboard and the way they are implemented so that it's accessible right when the text is being typed. The next app on the list is Tapete. So Tapete is German for wallpaper. And this app does not present a list of cool wallpapers from the internet, but it lets us create our own wallpaper the way we want. So this app has made the process very simple. Basically, there are two main aspects of the wallpaper. Its background and its foreground. For background, we can choose a group of colors, their vibrance, pattern, and for the foreground, we can choose to display a clip art. We can choose what colors will be present and the shape inside it. And every wallpaper that comes out from this app looks great. And this app makes creating awesome wallpapers really easy. There's also a randomize option that brings a unique combination. Overall, it's a very interesting app which you will enjoy playing with. The next app on the list is AmpMe. So this app has been around for a while, but the new updates have made it better and more usable, I would say. So this app lets us connect phones together and play the same music from all of them at the same time. So previously the connection between the phones were not stable. It required a lot of attempts before the music started playing. But now it's more seamless and easy. So first of all, one phone needs to host a party and the other needs to connect to the party. Then playing music in one device will make it sound in all of the devices with no latency. They all play the same music at the same time. So the combined sound from all of the devices makes the music sound louder and better. The developers have implemented a new synchronization technology that works without any issues. The next app on the list is Phraser. So this app aims to make your vocabulary much stronger. It does it by showing a new word and its meaning each time you unlock your phone. So it displays a new notification with the word and its meaning each time you unlock the phone and cycles through few words each day so that you can remember it. The settings option here lets you choose the amount of new words displayed each day and the interval at which a notification is displayed. I think this one can be beneficial as learning is a good thing and you always have the option of not looking at the word if you are busy or don't want to learn at that time. The next app here is Rewind. So Rewind is technically a voice recorder. So this app constantly records voice in the background and later you can choose to save the recording if you want to. So all the recordings is held in the RAM before it's saved, and it only saves the last hour of recording in the RAM and deletes everything that's older than that. So there is some great feature in this app as well, like checking the phone will activate recording and there will be no notification shown. You can also choose to start recording as soon as the phone boots up. Overall, it's a simple app that does something new. The next app on the list is FlyperLink. So FlyperLink is a floating web browser that opens link from an app in a floating browser. The browser stays away from the content that anyone is viewing at, and we can later look at the link. By default, the app opens it in a second screen that takes away from the experience. And many floating browsers for different links can be opened at the same time. And the browser also allows the link to be opened in desktop mode, or we can redirect it to other browsers. There are many similar apps too in the Play Store and some of them works great. This one also works as we want it to, it's fast and stable. There's also an option to bookmark the link so that it gets stored in the app and we can view it later. The next app on the list is Talkey. So this app will suggest replies to text messages that we receive. It can be beneficial when you are in a hurry as the suggestions here are pretty good. And if you own an Android Wear watch, then this is a must-have app for you as it also suggests replies in Android Wear. The deep integration of this app with other messaging apps is great. It works with Facebook Messenger, the default message app, WhatsApp and Hangouts. And you can also get suggestions right from the notification. This app makes it very easy and fast. The suggestions are also appropriate to the text received and there are a variety of suggestions. For example, for the text, "Where are you right now?" it analyzes the current location and also puts the current location as a suggestion. So that's all about this video. I hope that you guys have found some apps for yourselves and do let me know of any other app that you think is worthy to be in such videos. So that's it. See you guys in the next one.